In 1930, a young American researcher, Clyde Tombaugh, scanned the skies for Planet X, a world that was thought to exist beyond Neptune.
It was a very exciting time, and I remember it like it happened yesterday. There was never a moment in my life like that.
I knew him very well. He was a wonderful man with a sublime sense of humor and a lovely sense of the ridiculous. We had a lot of fun together.
Discovering Pluto was very tedious. I think that's the best word to describe it. During the nighttime, he would take pictures of the sky on these photographic glass plates, and then during the daytime, he would mount the plates onto this machine, look through this eyepiece, and then when you turn this on, there's a mirror that flips back and forth. And what you're doing is comparing one picture to the other to look for any changes.
The machine allowed Tombaugh to flip between his time-lapsed photographs of the night sky. What he was searching for was a single, tiny pinprick of movement against a sea of countless stars.
He would just plug away at this hours a day, stare through this microscope eyepiece, and looking at dots, hundreds of thousands of dots he looked at.
And on the 18th of February, 1930, at about 4 in the afternoon, he saw the two images of the planet appear and disappear alternately.
These are the actual images that show the discovery of Pluto. First, in one part of the sky, and then another. It's proof of a planet on the move.
And I recognized immediately, I knew instantly it was beyond our orbit Neptune because of the small shift. It made my day.
For the next 76 years, Pluto is counted as the 9th planet. But what does this tiny dot in the sky really look like?
We do know a lot about Pluto now, a whole lot more than we knew, say, 20 years ago. And in large part, that's driven by the advance in technology of telescope detectors and telescopes.
Peeling back the layers of Pluto is a little like solving a cosmic whodunit. And it's a mystery that stretches back to the beginning of the solar system.
Kind of like the crime scene photographer, you see a few blood spatters on the wall, you've got to try to work out what happened based on that little evidence that's still left over.
One clue to unveiling Pluto comes from NASA's orbital telescope, Hubble. These are some of the best images we have of Pluto. What the blotchy pixels show is a world that's stamped with light and